How to fix CAPTCHA on Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix CAPTCHA on Omegle. Open up the web browser. Click on three dots from the top right corner. Go into Settings. Tap on Privacy and Security from the dashboard. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Now you can clear all the data. Then open a new tab. Or go back to your main desktop and click on your Wi-Fi connection. Tap to disconnect the Wi-Fi. Then connect it back in a few seconds to make sure it is working right. Open up the web browser. Here search Omegle. Open up its site. Click on Video. Now tick on all the checkboxes and press Confirm and Continue. Now you can chat with anyone you like. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.